In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Managing Happiness course on Harvard Online and how you can get Harvard certified step by step. This is a great course if you're interested in positive psychology, leadership, well-being, and practical tools to improve happiness in both your personal and professional life. The best part is that this course is offered directly through Harvard Online, so once you complete it, you'll receive an official Harvard certificate. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software and course tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Online website by typing in harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. Make sure you're on the correct site and not a third-party platform, because this is where Harvard lists all of its official online courses. Once the page loads, you'll see a wide range of courses offered by Harvard in different subjects, including business, leadership, health, and personal development. Next, look for the search option on the page. In the search bar, type in Managing Happiness. As you start typing, the results will filter automatically, making it easier to find the course. Once you see the Managing Happiness course appear in the results, click on it to open the course details page. On the course page, you'll find a full overview of what the Managing Happiness course is about. Take a moment to read through the description, learning objectives, course duration, and what you'll gain from completing it. This course focuses on the science of happiness and provides practical strategies that you can apply in real life, especially in leadership and workplace environments. When you're ready to move forward, click on the Enroll button. This will take you to the enrollment process. If you already have a Harvard Online account, simply log in using your email and password. If you're new, you'll need to create an account by entering your basic details such as your name, email address, and setting a password. After logging in or creating your account, you'll be asked to fill in some additional details required for enrollment. Carefully review the course options, including whether you want to pursue a verified certificate. To receive a Harvard certificate after completing the course, you'll need to select the paid option and proceed with the payment process. Enter your payment details and complete the checkout. Once the payment is successful, you'll be officially enrolled in the Managing Happiness course. You can then start the course right away or come back to it later through your Harvard Online dashboard. As you go through the course, make sure to complete all the required modules, assignments, and assessments. These are necessary to qualify for the certificate. Take your time, follow along with the lessons, and apply the concepts as you learn them. After you successfully complete the course and meet all the requirements, you'll receive your official Harvard certified credential. This certificate can be added to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or shared professionally to showcase your achievement. And that's it. That's exactly how you can access the Managing Happiness course on Harvard Online and become Harvard certified. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.